Imagine this. You're casually scrolling WhatsApp and boom, one image. Just one image. And your bank account is empty. No OTP, no login, no password. Just a photo. Sounds fake, right? Well, that's the new reality. We all know about fake WhatsApp links, job scam, lottery messages, and even those KYC suspended texts. But this is next level. Cyber criminals have now evolved to a point where they don't need you to click to a shady link. Opening an innocent looking image is just enough to compromise your phone. And no, this isn't the future threat. It's happening right here, right now. Hi, I'm Simi from Bosswala, and today I need your full attention because a new scam has hit WhatsApp. And this time, it's not a fake call, it's just one image. Just one. This image can steal your bank info, know your password, and even control your phone without you even knowing it. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share with your family. So let's rewind a little bit. Over the past few years, WhatsApp has turned into a battlefield. Scammers sent phishing links and asking you to update your KYC. Then came OTP frauds. Someone pretending to be your friend, tricking to share the one-time password with them. And also recently, we also saw digital arrest, where a fake cop or a CBI officer would video call you, scare you with charges, and emotionally manipulate you to transfer money. But now, even if you don't engage in any of that, just one click and your phone is hacked. Just opening a photo can hijack your phone. This scam uses something called steganography. It's a fancy term for hiding a malware inside images. Specifically, cyber criminals use LSB steganography, least significant bit. An image is made of millions of pixels. Each pixel is just a mix of colors: red, green, blue. But there is also an alpha channel, a transparent layer. Hackers hide malicious code in this alpha channel. To you, it will look like a normal photo, selfie, or a document. But the moment you open it, your phone is infected. It can access your apps, read your password, steal OTPs, and worst case, give full remote control of your device to the hacker. Unlike the old phishing method, this doesn't require your action beyond opening the file. You don't need to fill out any form or share your bank details. There is no red flag, no weird link, no suspicious domain, just a JPEG file. And that's why it's so scary. Let's talk about a real case that has shaken everyone. A man from Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh received a WhatsApp image from an unknown number. It said, "Can you help me identify this person in the photo?" The man ignored it at first, but the same number kept calling. Polite request, emotional pressure, and eventually he opened the image. And within minutes, his phone was compromised. His banking apps were accessed, passwords were stolen, and nearly 2 lakh vanished from his account. It is a step-by-step guide. How do they get you? How do they get the access to your phone? Number 1, you'll receive a WhatsApp message from an unknown number. Number 2, they'll send an image with innocent message. Help needed, missing person, do you know this person, and sometimes accident victim photos as well. Number 3, if you don't open it, to build trust, they'll follow up with call, create urgency, emotionally blackmail you. And number 4, the moment you click that image, the malware activates and steal your data. And you know what's the worst part? You won't even know your phone has been hacked until it's too late. And also, this isn't a basic virus. This malware can read OTP from your messages, access your banking UPI apps, take screenshots and spy on you, transfer money from your account, and even switch your mic or camera remotely. So basically, this isn't a digital scam. This scam is on a personal level. But I'll tell you how to protect yourself. Number 1, turn off auto download on WhatsApp. Here is how you can do it. Go to setting, storage and data, turn off for photos, videos and documents. Number 2, don't open any media from an unknown number, especially if it's urgent or emotional. Block and report suspicious messages immediately. Install a good antivirus app for mobile and keep it updated. Number 5, use caller ID apps like Truecaller to verify unknown numbers. Number 6, Educate your family, especially elders and teens. And lastly, if got scammed, report at cybercrime.gov.in ASAP. Just because it's a photo doesn't mean it isn't safe. In 2025, even a selfie can be a weapon if it's sent by a scammer. Cyber criminals are getting smarter. And now, it's your turn. If you found this helpful, do just one thing today. Share with your friends and family or someone who should know about this, because that one click can save someone's lifetime savings. Subscribe for more real-world finance and digital content. Hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any videos from us. And also, don't forget to download Bosswala app. Bosswala help you to learn practical strategies and framework directly from successful business owners through video courses and one-to-one video call. And not just that, Bosswala provides you with the tool and resources to start, operate and grow your business. In this digital world, staying informed is the biggest investment. So I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.
Bosswala. Be the boss.